Welcome back again to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Chini. You are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys how I take off my long individual lashes, or basically how I remove my long individual lashes. Okay, so if you want to see that, then definitely keep watching. So the first time I fixed my individual lashes was the time, I think about a month plus, and when I fixed that, it was very short, and I really find it difficult to remove because I didn't have the things to remove it, which I struggled a lot, and also peel off my natural one at the process. Then I later find out that I have to use something to remove it. Yes, so it took me about 2 weeks to remove, and with a lot of pain. So today I'm gonna be featuring this, my jelly remover. So this right here is what I used when I fixed my second lashes, and I can tell you guys that this product is great and it removes so fast. But the thing I did was I didn't record it the time I removed these lashes, okay, because I need to try something out by myself before sharing it with my audience. So that's basically what I did, and I used it. It really works for me. So last week I fixed these lashes here, and I was like, no, I have to share this. Yes, actually I fixed it during the Christmas time, so I said I have to remove it, and I must record because it might be helpful to someone out there. You just have to apply. I will attach the video where you can also see how they do it, okay? So if that makes sense. So we also need this product right here. I also featured this in the time I fixed my first lashes, okay? So I featured this there. So this product, you must actually have it because that will help you to, you know, take the gel and apply it on your eyes. So let me take one piece of this out and show you guys how I do that. So I take one of these, then I go ahead to open the product. So I take the product like this. So when you open it, this is how the product looks like. It's very small, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Then I go ahead to open it this way, and this is how the inside looks like. As you guys can see right there, you see that I have opened it a little bit. So I open it from one side so that there will be no air. It doesn't have any air that will enter inside. So I'm going to use this thing right here to flip up this side here. Yeah, so I flip up that side. As you can see that it has green color, so that's basically what you are going to take then and begin to apply it on upper lashes, okay? So let me show you guys. So what I do is that I take it a little amount like this and begin to apply it over here. So this is the process I used when I wanted to remove the second lashes I fixed. So I make sure that I applied an amount . So what I do again is to apply it a little amount, but please be careful when you are applying it over here. Just be careful so that it doesn't go into your eyes. I apply it as well inside here so that it can also melt the glues from down the side like this. So this is how I do that. Then I'm gonna go into the process of doing it in the other side as well. So guys, now that I'm done applying them, so I'm gonna leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes, then and let it soak into the lashes. Okay, so this is basically what you do, and leave it like that to, you know, kind of absorb into the lashes before you begin to peel it out by yourself. Okay guys, I'm back again, and we have already spent 3 minutes. So if you don't have any pad with you, just use whatever you have when you want to remove it. You just have to use a tape like this. You can use it, and you know, double it, just double it. Okay, you take the tape, you double it, then you apply it close to your under eyes. Okay, so if you are a makeup person, or maybe a beauty person, maybe you are doing it to someone, this is very, very important. But if you are doing it to yourself, I don't actually think is important. So if you are someone who have a client, this is very, very important, and tweezer is also important as well. But for me, I think I'm gonna use my hand to remove it. Okay, I don't think I need tweezer or this as well. Okay, does that make sense? So I just put it to show you guys what you need when you want to remove it. So I'm gonna use my hand and start taking it off. You see, it's coming out one after the other. Okay, it's coming out. You guys see the bunch of it. So this is the amount that came out once. So once you are done with it, be careful. You will just use your tissue, raise your natural lashes up and wipe it up. Okay, you just wipe it. If you don't have any single pad with you, don't let it enter your eyes, because it's gonna cause you tears. This one just removed once. You guys see that? It just removed once, no pain, nothing. And here you guys, this is how I go about to remove my lashes. This is very, very powerful, but please, one thing I would like to beg you guys is, please, when you are using it, just make sure that it didn't go inside your eyes. Okay, that can cause you redness in the eyes. All right, so it doesn't irritate, just that if a drop of it is enter inside your eyes, that's really painful. And so you guys, I had no much, I just feel like recording to you guys just to show you guys, and thinking that it will be very, very helpful for someone out there. So if you really like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe in the subscribe button. Make sure you check out my other videos. You may see interesting video, or a video that might be helpful to you or what you're looking for. And then I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, and happy New Year Eve to you guys.